Chase Freedom Flex Review 2025 Pros and Cons not sponsored. You won't believe how flexible cashback credit cards have become in 2025. The Chase Freedom Flex offers rotating 5% categories, a flat 1% on all purchases and a host of benefits, but is it worth adding to your wallet? The surprising truth is rewards versatility. Most people get this wrong by assuming credit cards offer fixed cashback. Chase Freedom Flex rotates quarterly bonus categories like groceries, streaming or gas, giving you up to 5% cashback on up to $500 in combined purchases. Unlimited 1% cashback on everything else ensures you never miss out. Another advantage is perks. You won't believe what happens next when you see benefits like cell phone protection, purchase protection, and extended warranties. The card also integrates seamlessly with Chase Ultimate Rewards, allowing point transfers to travel partners or redemption for statement credits, gift cards, and travel. However, there are cons. Rotating categories require active tracking, or you may miss higher rewards. Late payments or exceeding credit limits can trigger fees and interest. While the card has no annual fee, it vary based on creditworthiness, which can make carrying a balance costly. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Flex in 2025 is ideal for card holders who can maximize rotating categories and appreciate versatile redemption options. While it requires attention to quarterly categories, the combination of cashback, benefits, and no annual fee makes it one of the most flexible rewards cards on the market today.